Prochain arrêt de ce TER Bresco, Landerneau.
Landerneau! That is where I'm going. Good morning. So I woke up at 4 a.m, took the train at 7 a.m. in Rennes and arrived at 9 a.m. in Landerneau. So I am now in Landerneau. And I came here just to see an exhibit, so a photography exhibit about Henri Cartier-Bresson. So I think it's in there, basically. In the, not that, but behind that. It opens only at 10 though. So Landerneau is a city. It's not like a tiny village, but it's a smaller city. So I guess it's nicer to live there rather than like Rennes or Brest. Like the quality of life is better. But at the same time, you might get bored more easily because there isn't like that many stuff to do, that much stuff to do. 10 a.m. That was really great, like really great. Henri Cartier-Bresson. I mean, I don't need to say it, it's obvious, it's Henri Cartier-Bresson. But there was actually like a lot of photos there, so really worth it. It was just really nice to have something like properly dedicated to photography. And usually when you have photography, it's like you have a lot of different photographers and like 10 photos of each of them. And there it was like really a lot of photos and different periods basically in his entire life. That was really great. I actually got the book, basically a summary of everything that was written and all the photos that were showed. Now time to find a place to have lunch inside where it's warm. So that was a little shop and crêperie in there. That was great. Alright, so now time to explore a little bit the city center. It's still 1 degree, I think. And honestly, it's more like it's great for tourists during summertime. But right now, I'm not sure it will be super lively. But never mind. So cold. It's 2 p.m. by the way. I kind of want more to explore the streets of the city center and go towards the river. So cold. Pretty old house. La maison de la Duchesse Anne, crêperie et salon de thé. So that right there, you can walk on top of it, and that is le pont de Rouen, the bridge of Rouen. There is a restaurant right there on top of it. We will have a nicer view on the other side. I want to cross and see what's on the other side anyway. There is a bookshop there and restaurants. It's mostly restaurants and cafes. So yeah, so that's the bridge there. The bridge of Rouen. Look at the reflection in the water. Very pretty. Tiny bridge there. So that the other side of the bridge there, I think it's also possible to walk along the river on the other side of the bridge, but I want to do that side. I think it's more interesting, maybe, not sure. Very nice view from there. Nearly 3 p.m, not yet. I'm looking for this place called La Briqueterie, La Grange au Loup. So we have La Briqueterie, here it's written La Briqueterie. So it's basically some sort of open, outdoors, free museum about first the textile industry and then the making of bricks and ceramics. So it's that. It looks completely abandoned, and it kind of is, honestly. It's basically all about bricks. I think there is more in the back there, in the building there. Like, no offense, but the wood is just very creepy, so I just want to have a look there and go back. Yeah, I am good. I've had a look and I am going to go back. Can you hear the noise? There is some noise somewhere. It's really resonating. It's creepy. Like, don't get me wrong, the mood is right for some cool photos, but the mood is not right to just hang around for too long. Alright, so I'm getting out of here and I'm going to walk back along the river towards the center. I'm back here. Hôtel à insectes. Not working. And I am back at the bridge again, and I'm on the other side of the river this time. And it is not even 4 p.m, so I have to be at the train station for about 5:15. So I still have a little bit of time, not a ton, but a little bit. It is starting to rain. I don't really think it's possible to enter there now, is it? Because it doesn't really look like it's in great shape. So it might collapse on people. You see those young people on the right. They are cutting the hair of one of them. They are funny. And I am back at the train station. Rennes 17h17.